Another building.
Hello, Kim. O'Brien. Hello, Doris. Hello, Devon. Hola, Doris. Hello, Brian. Hello, Carla. Hello, Denelson. Hello, Misa. What do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. Why did the bike fall over? It was too tired. Why did the golfer bring 2 pairs of pants? In case he got a hole in one. Why did the Clydesdale give the pony a glass of water? Because he was a little hoarse. What did the policeman say to his belly button? You're under a vest. Why did the man get hit by a bike every day? He was stuck in a vicious cycle. What did the bartender say to the turkey sandwich when it tried to order a beer? Sorry, we don't serve food here. Hello, Nina. Hello, Alex. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be bagels. Hello, Maya. What's the difference between bird flu and swine flu? One requires treatment, the other requires ointment. Hola, Karen. Why do people say break a leg when you go on stage? Because every play has a cast. Hola, Hilder. Hello there, Miss Carter.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's see. Is this only the one page of kids that you have?
This so far, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'll send you a chat so you can
Go
send me
ahead.
an email
Yep.
if someone
Okay.
comes in, the person I'm looking for.
Got it.
That's you. Mr. Morales is being silly. He's got a detective over here on kids. Oh, Lord.
Let him say he's not.
Okay, Loco. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I remind you that a week from Monday. Okay, got you, Miss Carter. A week
Thank you
from
guys. Have a
Monday.
great class.
Oh, thanks. Week from Monday will be the last day for past due assignments. Morning, Eni. All right, so that is 10 days away. The quarter ends on the 29th. So I will accept any past due assignments up until the 22nd. Okay. Also, I got reminded there's someone in class here whose grade just went from a 50 to a 90 because this person didn't tell me that they completed assignments that I didn't know about. So if there are assignments that you've done that you still have a 0 for, please let me know so I can give you credit for it, okay? Hello, Devon. All right. Let me know if you have assignments that you've done. All right. that you don't have credit for. Good morning, Joel. All righty. Okay. All right. I am going to do something easy with you today. Similar figures. All right. What I'm going to do with you today is a mirror of the exact assignment that you have on forms today. Okay. So I'm going to do the same 16 problems that you have in forms, but just different numbers. All right. The first 4, you just say similar or not similar. It's going to be a multiple choice. You click on either similar or not similar. All right. Here's your first one. Your first one. Now, first of all right, I'm going to say if they're similar, right, you're going to have the same ratio. What am I talking about? Well, for example, okay, 24 to 16, all right, 24 to 16, all right, I want you to use, I've asked you to download this calculator from the App Store onto your phone, all right, unless you have this calculator. If you have this calculator, that's awesome. Use that, okay? Otherwise, what I want you to do is type 24 on top and then 16 on the bottom. And you hit equals, all right? And then I want you to press this button over here. It says 1.5, press this button, and you see that it gives you 3/2, okay? So 24/16 is 3/2. Okay. So this 24/16 is also 3/2. Now, what about this 21/14? All right. Once again, we do 21 on top and 14 on the bottom. Okay. And then hit equals. And then I want you to press this button over here. And what does it say? There it is, 3/2. Okay. So 21/14 also equals 3/2. So in this problem, all of the sides, okay, are proportional, meaning they're all 3/2. However, there's one issue here. All right. See this 70 degrees here? If that's 70, then this is going to be 110. Because remember, 70 plus 110 equals 180, right? Well, if that's 70 and that's 110, well, then this over here has to be 70. And this would have to be 110. But no, it's 115. Oh, so guess what? Not similar is the answer here because the angles are different. The angles must be exactly the same. To have similarity, the angles must be the same. So the answer here would be not similar. What about over here? Okay, over here. All right, if this is 140 here, well, this would have to be 40, okay? Well, this is 40, which means this has to be 140 because 40 plus 140 makes 180. So that part is good. Now let's check the sides, okay? 14/7. Would you agree that 14 divided by 7 equals 2/1, right? And then 10/5 also equals 2/1. This is 14/7, which is 2/1. And we have another 10/5, which is 2/1. So all of the sides of the proportion are proportional and the angles match. That means this one is similar. That's similar. Okay. How about over here? Over here, well, 42/7 is 6, and 24/4 is also 6. But looking here, this is 55 and this is 45. They've got to match. No good. Not similar. The angles have to match in order for them to be similar. Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you understand what I'm doing so far? Just similar or not similar? Can I have a thumbs up? Thank you, Misa, Alex, Nina, Carl Daniels, thank you, Maya, Hilder, Joel, thank you. I'm going to do another one. All right. Whoops. All right, over here, I'm going to do 20/8. 20/8. What does that give me? I'm going to do 20/8 on my handy dandy downloaded calculator here. Hit equals. Then I'm going to hit this button here. So it gives me 5/2. 20/8 equals 5/2. Then over here, I've got 25/10. 25/10 on my calculator. I'm going to hit 25/10. All right. And I'm going to hit equals. And I'm going to press this button here. And it tells me, oh, 5/2. So 25/10 is also 5/2. Okay. So the sides are proportional. That's good. Now, if this guy here is 120, then this has to be 60 because 120 plus 60 is 180. And here, this is 60, so this has to be 120. So the angles match and the sides are proportional. There we go. It is similar. Nice. Hey, yeah. I'll probably be done in about half an hour. Sure. Oh yeah. All right. Bye-bye. All right. Okay. So hold on a second. I gotta do something here. All right. Okay. All right, next. Okay, so the first 4 problems on today's assignment, your answer will either be similar or not similar. Okay, now here it says in the next set of problems, it says the polygons in each pair are similar. So they're already similar. You just have to find the scale factor of the smaller to the larger. Do you see it says smaller to larger? Okay, smaller to larger. If you do larger to smaller, you're going to get it wrong. Okay, so it says do smaller to larger. Okay, so for example, here, do you see that this guy is the smaller, right? And this guy is the larger, right? So we're going to go from this number to this number, okay? Do you see that 8 corresponds with 12? Also here, 8 corresponds with 12. Is there any number here that corresponds with the 9? No, there isn't. So we're not going to worry about the 9. Just forget about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8 over 12. 8 over 12, I want you to type that on your calculator. 8 on top, 12 on the bottom, okay? And then hit equals. Do you see 8 over 12 gives you 2 over 3? So your answer is 2 over 3, or 2.3. All right. In today's assignment, it will look like this. Okay. 2:3. Can I have a thumbs up if you understand what we just did there? Thank you, Nina, Devon, Hilder, Joel, Amaya, Karen, Misa, Akeem, Denelson, Carl Daniels, thank you. Okay, Karen, thank you. Devon, you understand what's going on over there? Okay. Thank you, Devon. How about Davon? Davon Gresham, you good? I don't know if you hear me. Okay. Next. All right. Same thing. Smaller to bigger. All right. So first of all, do you see this 35 here? Does it match with another number? No. This is blank here. So I'm not going to use that 35. This 20 over here, does that match up with something over here? No. Okay. So I have to use this 20 and this 25. So I'm going to do 20 over 25. Do it on your calculator. 20 on top, 25 on the bottom. Okay. Hit equals. What do you get? You get 4 over 5, right? 20 over 25 equals 4 over 5. The answer on your multiple choice will be 4.5. Okay? Next. Okay. Over here, does this 20 match up with something? No. Does the 18 actually have a match? No. So you either have to do 30 with 36 or 25 with 30. It doesn't matter. Either one you use will give you the same answer. I'm going to use 30 over 36. On my handy dandy calculator, 30 on top, 36 on the bottom. Hit equals. There you go, 5 over 6. 5 over 6. One of your options will be, whoops. Five dot dot 6 is your answer. One of your options will be 6 dot dot 5. No, don't choose that. It's smaller to larger. Don't do larger to smaller, okay? Okay. Next. Smaller to larger. Now, wait a minute. In number 5, do you see that we did the right figure to the left figure? In number 6, do you see we did the right figure to the left figure because it was smaller to larger? In number 7, do you see we did the right figure to the left figure because it's smaller to larger? But in number 8, do you see that the smaller figure is the left figure? Oh. So I'm going to do 30 to 36. 30 to 36. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. 30 on top, 36 on the bottom. It equals 5 over 6. Answer 5 over 6. Your multiple choice will say 5 dot dot 6. In all of these, it's going to be the smaller to the larger, okay? All right. Next. Here we're going to do just find the missing side length. See the question mark? All right. No problem, Mr. Prout. Have a good weekend. Okay. So here's what we do. I'm going to take, I know that this side corresponds with that side. Now, this one corresponds with that. I don't have a number over there, so I'm not going to use that. I know that 35 corresponds with 42. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say 25 over question mark equals 35 over 42. Does everyone remember cross multiply? Cross multiply, remember? We're going to do 25 times 42 divided by 35. Could you try that on your calculator, please? I'm just going to use my regular calculator. Okay. Use your regular calculator. 25 times 42 divided by 35. What do you get? You should get 30. Okay. And your quiz, you'll just type 30. Don't type question mark equals 30. Okay. Over here, same thing. All right. This guy corresponds with the 21. All right. Can I use this 32? There's nothing over here, so that's no good. But I could use this 32 corresponds with 24, right? So I'm going to do question mark over 21 equals 32 over 24. Now here's the thing. If I'm going from right to left, I have to go from right to left both times, okay? I could not say question mark over 21 equals 24 over 32. That would not work. Okay. I'm going to cross multiply again. There we go. 32 times 21 divided by 24 equals, I get 28. Okay. Can I have a thumbs up if you understand how we're cross multiplying here? Everyone good there? Thank you, Nina. Devon, thank you. Misa, Nina, Carl Daniels, Akeem, Joel, Eni, Nelson, thank you. Hilder, thank you. Okay. All right, very good. Davon Gresham, you okay over there? I have not had any response from you, Davon Gresham, so I don't know if you're understanding or not. So I'm just asking for a, could you punch in the reaction key, any reaction? You can just put any emoji, whether it's a thumbs up or a hand clap or something like that, to let me know you understand what's going on. No? Okay. I see you turned off your light in your room. Okay, next. One more time. I'm going to say here, I'm going to do this 12 to this 8 equals question mark to 12. 12 over 8 equals question mark to 12, right? I'm going to do 12 times 12 divided by 8, right? Try it on your calculator. 12 times 12 divided by 8 gives you 18. Done. Okay. Over here, same thing. This time, I'm going to do 12 to 8. All right. And this question mark goes to 16, right? So 12 over 8 equals question mark over 16. On my calculator, I'm going to do 12 times 16 divided by 8 gives me 24. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we're solving for x. All right. This is still easy. All right. I'm still going to do cross multiply. How am I going to do that? Here I go. Check it out. We're going to do, I'm going to do this guy to this guy. I could either do 5 to 15 or 4 to 12. Either one works. Okay. I've got x plus 1 over 21 equals 4 over 12. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to cross multiply, just like we just did. Do 21 times 4 divided by 12. On your calculator, do 21 times 4 divided by 12. And what do you get? You get 7, right? 21 times 4 divided by 12 equals 7. So you have x plus 1 equals 7. Now what do? You got a minus 1, right? So you get x equals 6. Okay? That's how that works. Can I have another thumbs up, please, if you understand what I just did there? Are we okay? Joel, Devon, Lawrence, thank you. Akeem. All right. Misa, Hilder, Devon, Karen, thank you. Very good. Where did I get 7? Ah, thank you, Nina. All right, take a look. Where did I get 7? I got 7 by cross multiplying. All right. I did 4 times 12. I'm sorry, 4 times 21 divided by 12. Cross multiply. Okay. All right. We're good. All right. All right. All right. I need 1 minute, please. I'm sorry. Okay. Kiarve, welcome to class. You're 35 minutes late. Okay. All right, next. Here, now, see, in this one, do you see how I just have the x? I just have x here. In the last one, it was x plus 1, right? So I had the minus 1 from both sides. But if it's just x, you don't have to do what we just did, right? It's just going to be straight cross multiply, all right? In other words, x corresponds with 9. I could either use 12 and 18 or 14 and 21. I'm going to use 12 and 18. So x over 9 equals 12 over 18. On my handy dandy calculator, I'm going to do 9 times 12 divided by 18 gives me 6. There you go. Answer x equals 6. On your assignment today, just type in 6. Do not type x equals, okay? All right, here we go. This guy here corresponds with 14. I could either use 24 and 16 or 9 and 6. Okay. Let me use 9 and 6. So I have 3 plus 3x over 14 equals 9 over 6. Once again, I'm going to cross multiply. 9 times 14 divided by 6. What is 9 times 14 divided by 6? That's 21. So I have 3 plus 3x equals 21. Minus 3 from both sides. I get 3x equals 18. Divide by 3. X equals 6, okay? Once again, in your answer today, you will just put 6. You won't put x equals, okay? All right. One more. This guy corresponds with this guy. And this one corresponds with this one, right? Okay. So we're going to do 5x plus 13 over 40 equals 24 over 20. Please note, by the way, as I'm going from left to right, I'm going left to right, okay? If you go left to right, you gotta go left to right with the other one, okay? You could go 40 over 5x plus 13 equals 20 over 24. That would work also. Or you could even do 5x plus 13 over 24 equals 40 over 20. That would work also. Okay. As long as whichever direction you go for the first fraction, you go the same direction for the second fraction. Okay. I'm going to cross multiply 24 times 40, 24 times 40 divided by 20 gives me 48. I get 5x plus 13 equals 48. Minus 13 from both sides. 5x equals 35, divide by 5. X equals 7. Easy. Okay. This is how you do it. All right. I'm going to offer you to take a picture of the notes for today. So if you want to take a picture, here's 1 through 8. Take a picture. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to take a picture here. And then here's 9 through 16. You can take a picture of that. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for that one if you want. Okay. All right. And now you're going to have 2 things to do today. All right. So first, I would like you to do this form. All right. So you can click on that form there. All right. And then you have quiz 13. To do quiz 13, you have to go to deltamath.com. Okay, it's on Delta Math. Quiz 13. All right. So do the form first, and then you'll have a quick quiz on Delta Math. Okay. I will be right back, and then I will take any questions. Any questions? Okay. Coming, Hilder. All right, so you want smaller to larger. So what you want to do is you want to, on your handy dandy calculator, you want to do 40 on top, 48 on the bottom. I'm not going to hit equals on my calculator because that'll give you the answer. All right. You type 40 on top, 48 on the bottom, or 25 on top and 30 on the bottom. Either way, it'll give you the same answer. Okay. And then it'll show a fraction on your calculator, but you just click on the fraction in the answer. Okay, Hilder? Okay. Yes, Devon, go right ahead. Share your screen. Okay, so you want to do either 15 over 25 or 24 over 40, either one will give you the same answer. That's it, you're good? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, because it says smaller to larger, okay? Please don't forget to do both the form and the quiz on Delta Math, okay? Unfortunately, I've only done 2 product grades with you so far this quarter. I have to do 3 more before the end of the quarter. So I have to get this quiz in today. So I just did a short quiz. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Okay, I'm glad you asked. I have a fairly impressive setup here. Yes, Karen, here we go. Okay. Number 9. Okay, so you want to do one of two things, Karen. You either want to say question mark over 32 equals 15 over 12. Or you could say question mark over 32 equals 30 over 24, and then cross multiply. Does that answer your question? You guess?
Really, I don't understood that part, Mister.
Okay, all right, then let me do this. I got you. Don't go in. This is easy, okay? Okay. All right, here's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is that question mark corresponds with 32. Just tell me if that makes sense, that the side that has question mark on it corresponds with the side that has 32 on it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to say that that's equal to 15 over 12. Does that make sense? Because if I'm going from the left triangle to the right triangle, I'm going from the left triangle to the right triangle. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
So now I'm just going to do 15 times 32 divided by 12. Do you understand? Cross multiply, right? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, okay. 15 times 32 divided by 12. I get 40. Is that what you get? Okay, Karen?
Okay, Mister.
Okay, beautiful. Okay. Kiara, oh, I'll be right with you, Devon. Kiara, I'm sorry, but I can't, I don't know what to tell you about my alarm did not go off on time. So I don't know what to tell you about that. I'm sorry that your alarm did not go off. Okay. Devon, do you want to share your screen again? Go for it. This is 7 because 21 minus 14 is 7. Okay, so all you want to do is do 247 divided by 19. 247 divided by 19. Gives you 13, right? No, that's not the answer. That is just this side right here. This side here is 13, right? Okay, so now what you're gonna do is this. Okay. So now you're gonna say that 19 over 17.1 equals 13 over, I'm gonna say question mark, okay? And now we're gonna do 13 times 17.1 divided by 19. Okay? And you get 11.7. Does that make sense? But that is, okay, but that is just the side. That's not the answer. You still have to do 11.7 times 17.1 to get your answer, okay? You good? Devon Lawrence. Okay. Oh, but he, Misa, I'm sorry, what question? Wait. Oh. No, okay, Misa, no, just the number, sorry. Misa, just type 9, don't type question mark equals, okay? Okay, sorry about that. Amaya, number 10. You're gonna do 3 over 18 equals question mark over 30. Does that make sense, Amaya? 3 over 18 equals question mark over 30. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, so you want to do question mark over 32 equals 15 over 12, and then cross multiply. 15 times 32 divided by 12. Does that answer your question, Kiarbe? Okay, good. Misa, did your form submit? There it is, 68. You might want to retry. I'll take a look in a little bit to see what problems you got wrong. Devon, what problem are you looking at? Yes. 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 Okay. I know. Well, but it's the same. Actually, these are easier to look at. It's on. Oh, okay. Okay, Devon, go ahead, share your screen. But like, right, if you draw it out for yourself, right?
Yeah, I see that, so like 27 lines up.
Right. 33 will line up with 121, and the question mark will line up with 110,
Okay,
right? Does that make sense?
yeah, because that's a track that, so like.
Yeah, but you don't need that, right? Because you just need this one and the big one, right? Don't go away. The scale, all you have to do is do the second divided by the first, okay? So even, in fact, it's just gonna be 30/7 in this case, 30 and 7 on the bottom, okay? Now, if you hit equals, all right, and you hit this button right here, it still says 30/7, and there's no reduced form, so your answer is 30/7. Okay? And you're doing the right over the left in every one of them. The right, whether it's not bigger over smaller, it's just the right one divided by the left one. Okay? And I don't know if you've seen this, by the way. You're talking about calculators. This is an app. You just go to the App Store and type in fraction calculator. Because you type in, say, 32 on top of, this is 32 on the top, and say 68 on the bottom, and just hit equals, and it reduces it for you. Nice, right? Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Now, this is even nicer, but they have to go buy it, but they of course have a phone, right? So, this is huge. Yeah. So, in fact, I'm going to show you App Store.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
And it's
Fraction, yeah, this
called- I saw
fraction.
it, fraction plus.
Yeah, fraction. But look for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that'll all work, yeah. There's a couple of them. So, yeah. So wait. I'm happy to do it, though. I don't know. Whatever makes it, yeah, because if I don't know what I would do if I couldn't write on my screen.
So is that what you can't, the way you can touch it?
Yeah, I don't see, because like on Microsoft Word.
Yeah.
Like, you see, like up here, if you
Yeah.
click on Microsoft Word, I don't think you have draw. I do.
Probably not.
I-
There's a lot of different things you can do.
I'd be interested to see if you could open up your computer, if you open up Microsoft Word, do you have draw? I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah, you would have to do like a lot of inserting shapes type thing.
Yeah, and
Insert
that, but even that, I want to write like this.
Yeah.
That's nice, this is my whiteboard, is my, so, yeah.
It's sad too how much you're going to do.
Carl Daniels, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.
Well, how much the Microsoft Word program has to offer.
Yeah, I know. It's really awesome.
That's
Yeah.
the thing. All right.
Wait, let me check your work here. I just want to double check. LKJ, LTU, yeah, so question mark, oh, yes, okay. And I just want to say again,
Yeah, yeah,
LK,
when I
right?
look at it like this, and
Right,
I can compare it up
LT,
here.
right, that's
Yeah.
important to, because I think once you say that to the kid, if you say
Reference
LK
it to
matches up
them.
with
Yeah.
LT, then that LK matches up with LT. I
Mhm.
think they can understand that, you
Yeah.
know? So, and these, honestly, you said that you don't like the
No,
way
but
they
now I
look,
get
but
it.
it's nicer because it
Lines
just
them up.
lines up easily to,
Mhm.
to see, you know? And worst case scenario, you could draw two triangles if you needed to. Question mark to 8 equals 63 to 9. And let your kid know that you could say 8 to question mark equals 9 to 63
Yeah, it doesn't
also.
matter.
Doesn't matter what
Yeah.
order you do it. 8 to 11 equals 50. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Okay, yes,
Yeah.
perfect.
And then this is the last one.
Yes.
So what do we want to do
What?
there?
Oh, question. Okay, so you want LJ. Okay, JL corresponds with TV, right?
Yes.
So here's TV, right?
Mhm.
So question mark corresponds with TV. So question mark over 21 equals, we'll go with, you know, 84 over 36
Yeah, because you
because,
did the question here, so you
right,
gotta do the 84
right.
for you.
okay, so because JK is going to correspond with TU, okay? All right, and same shiznizle here. So they're telling you it's similar, so you don't have to worry
okay.
about checking.
That's correct.
So you
Okay.
can all just go
Go for
straight,
it.
yeah.
Okay.
AB corresponds with AU. Okay, so that means 110 over 33,
Mhm.
right? 110 over 33 equals AC corresponds with AV.
So
right?
question mark
Question mark.
over 23.
There you go. That makes sense.
Mhm.
Boom. Here, right? 6.
So this is just more of the same.
It's more of the same.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 over 36,
36 is
11 over
question
question.
mark.
Okay,
Gotcha. Cool.
yes,
Awesome. Yes.
you sure?
Yes.
Please call me if you
No,
have one question.
No, I will. I'd like to be able to help them.
I know.
I feel like sometimes I'm more accessible than.
Can, in fact, can I have, I just, you know, give me your number.
Okay, 315-256-6260.
I am not kidding you, okay? Oh, let me do this. Program me in, okay? Because, and I'm gonna program you in. If
Okay,
you have one question,
just take a picture.
no, not even,
Yeah.
you do
Yeah.
that, but I'll FaceTime you and I'll write it out, you know,
Perfect.
I'll talk to you, okay?
Okay.
You know, I don't care if it's 8 o'clock on a Tuesday night.
Yeah, and I
okay?
mean, I don't really, like they know for me, like after 3:30, I'm with my boys, but like.
I know, but
during the
like-
day, during flex and stuff like that.
Yeah, but see, if one of those days,
Yeah, no,
you know, you're at home and you're
Yeah.
like, I need to figure this out
Yeah.
now. Just
got
like
you.
FaceTime
I
me, you know,
appreciate that.
seriously.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
No, this is great. Like I said, if I have it in front of me, and I don't have to second guess myself that I have it right,
Mhm.
then I can walk her through it. I just didn't want to confuse her more than help her. You know? Appreciate
Yes,
it, buddy.
you're
Thank you.
welcome. Anytime. I love this shit, okay? Stuff, sorry, stuff. No, I'm unmuted, so. All right, gang, I am going to end today's meeting. All right, so, oh, wait.
Mr.
Yeah,
Yes, can I know, can you
Oh, hi.
tell me my score,
your
please?
score, yes. Yes. Devon, yes, you can share your screen. Give me 1 second, Devon. 88, Karen, very good. Good
Okay,
job.
Mr. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Devon, you want to go ahead and share your screen? Oh, there you are. Okay. Okay, all you need to do is say, so first of all, do you agree that 8 times 2 is 16? In other words, the picture on the right is twice the size of the picture on the left, right? So you could do 8 over 16 equals 11.3 over question mark. But if you realize that 8 times 2 is 16, all you got to do is double 11.3. Your answer is 22.6. Bada bang, bada boom. Make sense? Hey, ho, hey, ho. All right. But remember that it's one side over another equals one side over another. Just cross multiply. Same shiznizzle. Okay. All right, gang. This weekend you set your clocks ahead. Make sure you're 1 hour ahead on Saturday night. Okay. We lose an hour of sleep. Yay. And Sunday is Pi Day. 314, 3.14, right? Pi Day, March 14th. So happy Pi Day. And get your work done, both today's assignment and quiz 13, all right? Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.